Are you on Grindr right now?
Oh, hey, hi guys. Sorry, I was looking at something else.
Grindr.
So
He's on the twin.
We got the driver's side done, and
Burnsy's looking at Grindr too.
No, his idea of Grindr is cutting bolts in half and everything else. My idea of Grindr is what I did yesterday. But I'm pumped.
What was her name?
Her? Not.
Twinks are us. That's Scotty's new.
So
Anyhow.
we have
Woo!
only
Thanks,
rubber
Bungie.
gasket.
Nice.
I mean, it came out. I mean, it's this. I cannot tell you enough how much I like this company.
Nice that is.
I mean, it fits right. It's just perfect. It really is.
Is that the best fitting rubber you've ever used?
It's probably the only best fitting rubber I've ever used. But I'm pumped. I got kids, 5 of them. So hey, it is what it is. But end.
Ooh, that closes nice. Burnsy
That
says he
just
did
sounds so much nicer.
Look at that.
Yeah. So
Beautiful.
Ken, if you want to do the rears, let me
Get
know.
'em.
We'll do the rears.
Get
Get
'em.
them. This company has done phenomenal. I absolutely love. I cannot state it enough. Love the quality of what we've been getting from them. And because I got bored in between doing that, and we got like 9 other cars we got to work on today, I figured since they're here,
This Ford.
your new ones are in.
Oh yes. Show me his new bumpers.
His new bumpers here, dear. There's that one and that one. Yeah, it is. They're
Very nice.
and they're soft and pliable and mushy. Mm.
Are you-
These are hard, old, and used. Like, shut up, shut up, shut up. Just
Burnsy, way to hold that ice chest down.
Hey, no problem.
Dude, he's
hey,
working on-
Burnsy.
Age your IQ.
Number.
That's a lie. Don't finish that statement. That's a lie.
Anyway,
So,
what's
next,
next? Ooh,
We
yeah.
will get these on and in because these are going to be these are an absolute nightmare to get out. They really
Yeah,
are.
they're hard, but they're
Absolute
easy.
nightmare.
You're hard, but easy.
Well, hey,
All right, so Scotty's on it, so we will check back in a bit.
we will do the best we can for today.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully, we don't need any new meds to make it through the day. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. Oh, wait, hold on. No, we ain't gonna bother trying to cross my legs. I'll blow something out like a hip.
Then
Okay.
you shit your Depends and blow those out. Grandpa.
No, it is what it is. Hey.
Arr.
But on that note, ladies and joins,
Joins.
see ya.